Hi, my name is Vicki Kurtz. I am a teacher and counselor at Scope Ministries. My friend and colleague Sandra Pickard and I teach a class titled Boundaries by Dr. Henry Cloud and John Townsend. We invite you to come have fun with us as we take an in-depth look at boundaries and how God created them. Do you find yourself saying yes when you would really rather say no? Do you ever feel controlled or try to control others? How can we practice Christ's love and boundaries at the same time? Do you struggle doubting your worth or fight depression, anger, or resentment? Would you like to have happier, more fulfilling relationships? Join us while we expose some myths and misunderstandings about boundaries and experience the freedom to choose to love and live loved. We hope to see you in class.